Hi, this is Leah. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making grilled tenderloin with zucchini. And here are the ingredients and materials that we will need. Here I have 1 pound of tenderloin beef and 2 zucchinis, garlics and shallot and other material we'll need. Cutting board, tenderizers, a knife, saran wrap, a container, and a mixing bowl. And here is a list of ingredients. We'll need salt and pepper, Italian spice, smoked paprika, Cajun spice, vinegar, Montreal spice, olive oil, and oyster sauce. Oyster sauce, if you don't have, you can use brown sugar or white sugar, or you can totally skip the sugar. And here I smash garlic and shallot and then just chop them to small pieces. Alright, after you've done chopping, you can put both garlic and shallot into a mixing bowl, and I add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce and 1.5 teaspoon of Cajun spice and 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And then I'm just depends on how spicy you want, and here I add about 1 teaspoon of paprika, and then just a splash of vinegar. You don't want too much vinegar. If you don't have vinegar, you could actually add Italian dressing. That would be very good. And then just kind of stir it and mix it good. Here I use saran wrap. You don't need to use saran if you don't want to. I just don't want to create a lot of mess. So I took the both slices and just lay them flat. Then I add black pepper, salt, and sprinkles of Cajun spice. And I'm doing both sides. So after I sprinkle on this side, I flip the other side and I do the same thing. After that, I use the tenderizers and just kind of use the spiky part and just kind of like gently smash them. I mean, the meats are pretty soft, but by pounding it helps to marinate better, and it will help to cook better. Alright, then I put both my pieces into the mixing bowl, that the sauce that we just made. I make sure I spread evenly on both sides, and then I just put both in the container. If you have time, it would be best to leave it overnight. If you don't, I want to say at least marinate it for 30 minutes. Here I marinated for 2 hours, and then after 2 hours I took it out and I let it set for 20 minutes. This is very important. Please, if you left your container in the refrigerator and before you cook, do not skip these steps. Let it sit, take it out, let it sit on the counter for it to get to room temps before you cook it. Very important. Alright, let's get to our vegetable. Here I use 2 zucchinis. I wash them well first and then just dry them with paper towel. Then I cut both ends. Then I just slice in half right in the middle, and then I just lay it on a plate. Then again, I use the same ingredients that I use for the meat. So here I use a brush with olive oil and just kind of spread the oil evenly. again, I love black peppers, so I add a little bit black peppers, salt, Cajun spice, and Italian seasoning, as well as Montreal spice. I think I use Montreal spice on everything. So like I mentioned earlier, I took my meat out and let it set for 20 to 25 minutes. My grill here I have on high temperature. If you don't have a grill, you can use oven. You can cook at 450 degrees for 3 minutes on each side, and then I would broil it for another minute or two. Here on the grill, and like I said, I cook each side for 4 minutes. Again, I like my kind sort of like medium well, and if you want well done, you can probably cook another minute. Then I flip on both sides. The same thing for zucchini. I cook each side for 3.5 minutes, depends on how big. This is the final product. It smells so good, guys. Let me know how yours come out. I would love to hear how yours come out. And until next time, thank you for watching. Bye bye.